so we had a question about shipping. What are the shipping rates? All that stuff. So, my screen for some reason, while I'm recording this, is all zoomed in, so just bear with it. It's fine. Just wanted to show you that on eBay, they have a help section. Basically, like there's a whole community on eBay, and people are talking about things and posting articles and how to do things. And then also, like eBay itself, like posts articles about how to do eBay. So, one really good source of information about how to do eBay is from eBay. However, the reason why videos like this exist is because it's so confusing. So anyway, I'll just tell you. I'll just make your life easier and I'll just tell you. Okay, so I got a for example pulled up. Yay. All right, so we got a USPS.com retail prices. So this is as if you were a regular customer. So this is normal retail price at USPS.com. Like you're not like a business person, you're just a customer, right? This is your price for this example that I put in. So I put in the exact same parameters into USPS.com and eBay.com. So see about shipping rates. So for example, we did like a priority mail flat rate. Okay. So then right. So it's $9.85. But then if you buy it from eBay, you get an 18% discount. Okay, because eBay is going to give you a discount if you buy USPS postage through them, which is really the only way to do it. I mean, like if you're going to do eBay, you're going to be buying postage on eBay. Like, so when you sell something, you buy the postage, but you're buying it on eBay. Okay, you are buying it from USPS or whatever, but like you're buying it using your eBay account and not going to USPS.com to buy this postage, like I'm showing you in the example how a person could do if they wanted. Right? You can buy postage from USPS.com, but you're not going to. You're going to buy USPS postage from eBay. And on a lot of stuff, there's discounts. So in-store rates, so this is what and it even shows you like in-store rates versus eBay rates. So here's this example. If this was media, which might, for example, I don't know, we could pretend it was media, then it'd be $7.83 to buy it from USPS.com. And eBay, $7.83. Why is it the same? Well, that's because actually media mail is highly discounted already, and USPS.com doesn't like let it get further discounted, like just because you're buying it through eBay. But everything else is deeply discounted. Check this out. USPS Ground Advantage, $6.33. Whereas if you were a regular customer, you'd have to pay $23.65. Oh my gosh! And like how much it's discounted is like it just wildly different on everything. But it's all wildly better than what it could be, right? So you are getting a discount, and that's awesome. So here's some more for example. All right, just getting into it a little deeper. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, like don't worry about it. Just know shipping's fine. You get it at a discount. You buy it through eBay. Okay, there's way more to know about it than what I can cover on this. But I just want to show you this for example, okay? All right, so here we have a stupid novelty popcorn bucket I sold. Okay, so it sold at auction, okay, on 15 bids, and it landed at $71, okay, and the customer paid $71. Let's see, what did the customer pay completely? Let's see. 71 was the sale price. Duh. Okay, the customer all told paid $90.73. So this customer thought it was a good idea to spend $90.73 on the popcorn bucket. I don't judge. I just love it because they gave their $71 to me. And the customer paid $13.60 for shipping. And that's normal, like that the customer would think that it would only cost 13, or rather, I meant to say, it's normal that a customer would think that shipping this thing would cost as much as $13.60, because in the customer's brain, they may not be thinking about this discount that you get. Okay, so then the customer did all that, right? But then you as a seller, or me in this example as a seller, I bought the shipping label for $8.52. So did you catch that? The customer paid $13.60 for shipping. But then, and they paid me, right? They didn't pay USPS.com for that, or eBay. They paid eBay, right? But just to be clear, they paid me. The customer paid me $13.60 for shipping, based on the calculation for how much I thought shipping was going to cost, for me. But then I, in turn, paid a little less for shipping. I paid $8.52. So the difference is, where's the other one? Where'd it go? There we go. Here's the difference, right? Put that one down. Go away. All right. $13.60 take away $8.52. $5.08. So yes, I got $5.08 profit. Ooh, off of the difference in shipping. It's not really profit. Okay, so let's talk about a little bit more. Don't get confused. Stay with me. Just know there's a difference between what the customer paid for shipping and what I paid for shipping. And that difference, that is my money. That is my money. So now we're going to show you how that money goes away now. Okay? So you got $12.32. Where did I come up with that? Oh, right here, you see? So eBay, first of all, please ignore the sales tax stuff. We're not talking about that. That's just, please disregard that for now. Okay, so eBay charged me, the eBay seller, $12.32 to sell the popcorn bucket on eBay. So this is my transaction fees. This is what, look, it even says it. Calculated time of sale may include international motor deposit and final value fees, blah, 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 blah. These are fees to sell on eBay. All right, so back to the calculator. We have $12.32 in fees. Take away that extra money that I got because the buyer paid too much for the shipping, right? So then it's $7.24. So in other words, like, basically the overage on what the customer paid in shipping just kind of goes towards your eBay fees. So you can kind of look at this situation however you want to look at it. If you want to look at it like, ooh, sometimes like the customer's extra price they pay in shipping like helps pay for my fees. Or you can think of it that way. Or, you can think of it as the difference, that $5.08 difference was like a handling charge. You can actually charge a handling charge on eBay. It's crazy. But whatever. Let's not get into that. Point is, there's a gap. Okay? Now, it's important to know at this time, right now, it's May 5th, 2024. These things might change, and I know they will change. So just know that if you're listening to this and it's outdated information, just know that, okay? But for now, this is how it works, and it works pretty good. It works in your favor, because you can apply any kind of little overages that you probably will find to your costs or to your bottom line, however you want to see it. Either way, it's money back to you might not have had. Okay, cheers.